Before dropping cash on a new mattress, consider that the real culprit may be what's underneath. When we go and deliver mattresses, we often find bad bed bases. Here's a perfect example of that. I had a customer call a lady from Maroubra, and she called me up and told me that it was sagging. So about where her calf muscles are, I told her to push the slats down, to see if there's any flex in the slats. And then I told her to take a video of that. I saw what we see all the time, cheap slats. They're engineered wood. They're bowing upwards. And then I told her to push it in the center of the bed base where the center column is. So she could tell me how it felt comparatively. She told me that it was a lot softer not in the center compared to the center. The center was very firm. So then I asked her, she rolls into the center of the bed, does she feel it's firmer in the center? And she said, yeah, there's like a hump in the center. This is a thing we see so often. It's just the flexible bed slats where they're laying and then they're rolling up into that center column. And they're thinking it's something wrong with the mattress, but it's actually the foundation. So she agreed that the mattress was fine, and that led to the next question. What kind of base do I get? Told her that she needs to look for bed bases that are made with pine slats. So that means they have a wood grain, they have you can see kind of wood grain and knots. They don't have any layers. Engineered wood has layers, or they might be curved upwards. So if they're curved upwards, definitely don't get it. So if the slats have flex, move on to the next one. So to help you understand this better, think of a house. If you have a house and you build it on mud and the house starts falling into the ground and cracking, if you knock that house down, build a new house on the same mud, then the same thing is going to happen. If you have a mattress and you put it on a crappy base with flexible slats, you're going to have the hump in the middle, you're going to fall into it, it's going to dip, it's going to sag. If you get another mattress, put it on, the same thing's going to happen. Fix your foundation first. So to recap, before spending thousands of dollars on a new mattress, check your bed base first. To rule out if your mattress is a problem or not by putting the mattress on the floor where it's completely flat, and you sleep on it tonight, you'll know by tomorrow if it's the mattress or the base. Now, step 2 is if it is a problem, get a base with solid slats, and to check if it's got solid slats, you just push the slats, and if it flexes, move on to the next one. If you're really unsure, just push where the center column of the mattress is. If it feels different from the other section, then it's bad, get another one. It should be solid all the way across. So if you have any questions like this that you think you'd like a no-nonsense answer to, I answer these kinds of questions all the time on Reddit, Ozbargain, Whirlpool. If you leave your question here, I can answer it in video form as well. Thank you.